Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Goose Touch issue on iPhone and iPad after or before iOS update. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before going to the solution, I'm going to give you one tip. Don't use your iPhone while charging to avoid the Goose Touch activation. Now, we have to launch settings, then tap Journal and tap Software Update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Then go back to Journal and tap Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm. Next, force close all the apps that are running in the background and try to force restart your iPhone to fix this issue according to your iPhone model. That's it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.